Hello everyone! Today we are reviewing a budget but powerful smartphone, Redmi 10C from Xiaomi. Let's analyze it by all the main parameters: design, screen, performance, cameras, and battery life. First, let's pay attention to the design. Redmi 10C looks quite modern, despite the fact that it belongs to the budget segment. It has a plastic case, but the back cover has a textured coating, which helps to avoid fingerprints and scratches. The smartphone is available in several colors: gray, blue, and green. The screen here is 6.71-inch with HD plus resolution. This is not the highest resolution, but for most everyday tasks it will be quite enough. At the top of the screen there is a teardrop-shaped notch for the front camera, which is already familiar for smartphones of this series. Now let's talk about performance. Redmi 10C runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor. This 4G processor is powerful enough for ordinary tasks. You can easily launch social networks, watch videos, and even play simple games. It is supported by 3 or 4 gigabytes of RAM depending on the version. For data storage, there are 2 versions: 64 and 128 gigabytes of internal memory. There is also a slot for micro SD memory cards, which allows you to expand the memory if the internal one is not enough. Now, the cameras. The main camera here is 50 megapixels, which is pretty good for a budget smartphone. During the day, the camera takes very decent pictures, with good details and good colors. However, in low light conditions, the quality drops, as with most budget devices. The auxiliary module is 2 megapixels. It helps to create a blur effect in portrait shots. The front camera is 5 megapixels, which is enough for video calls and selfies. Of course, this is not flagship quality, but it is more than suitable for everyday use. One of the strong points of the Redmi 10C is its battery. It has a 5,000 mAh battery, which easily holds a charge all day, and even longer with moderate use. The package includes an 18-watt charger, which allows you to quickly recharge the battery. The smartphone runs on MIUI 13 based on Android 11 or 12, depending on the region. MIUI 13 is already well optimized, and the system runs smoothly. Although, of course, you can encounter some advertising notifications, but this can be easily disabled in the settings. Redmi 10C is a good choice for those who need a smartphone for everyday tasks at an affordable price. It combines great features for its price: modern design, a decent processor, a 50-megapixel main camera, and a large battery. If you are looking for a reliable phone that will handle basic tasks without frills, Redmi 10C is definitely worth considering. That's all. Thank you for watching our channel. Do not forget to like and subscribe if the review was useful. We are waiting for you in the comments. Tell us what you think about Redmi 10C.